Alright guys, just finished this 2020 Gladiator. This one got the rock Krawler 3-inch Adventure Pro Series. 37 1350 Yokohamas and some 17-inch method bead locks. It's a pretty cool kit. Does a triangulated upper links in the rear so you don't have to run a track bar. Gives it more flex, and according to rock Krawler, makes it ride better as well. See if you can see what we got here. It's kind of storming outside here, so if you can't hear me, I do apologize. This one uses a bolt-on truss in the rear, but they do recommend that you weld it for anything over 37s if you're going to be off-roading, so we did just that. I'm trying to give you the best view of this as possible. Hopefully it turns out all right. All right, guys. That's about it on this one. As always, stay tuned for more.